Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off two-factor verification on your Amazon account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Firstly, open up a web browser and go to amazon.com and sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Hover over Accounts and Lists at the top right of the page and then click Your Account from the drop-down menu. On the Your Account page, click on Login and Security. Now at the bottom of the page, beside where it says Two-Step Verification Settings, click Edit. On the Two-Step Verification Settings page, click Disable at the top right of the page. On the pop-up, check the checkbox to clear your two-step verification settings, and then click Disable. Your two-step verification is now turned off, and that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazon tips and tricks.